Hi guys, Lorraine Bracken here. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Energize. It's a product being released on Warriorplus on June 2nd by Glynn Kosky. What we'll do is we'll go through the sales page, see does it deliver on its promises inside the members area. I'll show you around in here and how it works. I'll give you my personal opinion on whether Energize is worth picking up or not. I'll go through the pros and cons, and I will also go through the price and OTO'S. And if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Go hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, because this is where I share honest reviews just like this. And before we dive right in, if you're interested in starting a legitimate long-term business, go click that link in the description down below. You'll get access to step-by-step affiliate marketing training that I use to start my business. It's my #1 recommendation as a beginner when you're starting out online to get you on the right path. Okay, so let's take a look at Energize. It's claiming it's the world's first high-ticket elite commissions app for 2021. In 60 seconds, flat, clone or automated high-ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400+ million visitors. This is another big claim from Glynn Kosky's sales page. 2 weeks ago, I created a review of his last product, which was called Traffic Beasts, another first to the market app in 2021. And they both have very similar layouts inside the members area as well. So that's what we'll take a look at next. We'll go inside Energize's members area. I'm inside the dashboard area, and in the tutorial section, there are a couple of videos that runs through how you can use the software, such as connecting your autoresponder and integrating it with Energize. And we have social sharing, and we have your deliverability, and then to create more affiliate campaigns, and then your upgrades if you decide to go with the OTO'S. You have your bonus builder, traffic strategies. They go on and talk about YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest as free traffic, and then they mention solo ads, which I don't recommend. I have a video specifically why I don't recommend solo ads as a beginner, but we'll get into more about the traffic in a minute. But overall, the training is fairly basic. It's definitely not step by step. Next, we'll take a look at the campaigns, and these are our done for you campaigns. Now, just to be aware that some of these can be found yourself for free on ClickBank or Digistore24. And if you want to go ahead and set up an account with the likes of Digistore24, you can set one up for free. I have a link in the description in the video above, and leave it in the description down below as well, of how you can get set up with Digistore24. Now, back in the done for you campaigns, we'll take a look at one of them. We'll say publish, and you're given a squeeze page, webinar page, and download page. We'll take a look at the squeeze page first, and this is the page where you are going to send people in order to register for the webinar. And this looks pretty nice as squeeze pages go. There's also an auto redirect from the squeeze page to the main webinar page if someone looks like they're going to click out. And also they have the pop-up here that reminds them of the free bonus if they go ahead and look at the webinar. And the webinar page, again, it doesn't look bad. And then as well as that, we have our download page for a free bonus. And again, not too bad. Okay, so to fully understand what's going on here, you have your squeeze page. They have the redirect function that brings them directly to the webinar page. You have a pop-up as well so that they can opt in for your email list and drive them on to the delivery page of your free bonus. When it comes to affiliate marketing, this strategy, absolutely, I have no problem with sending people to a squeeze page to collect their email addresses so that you'll be able to continue on emailing them and building trust and giving value, and that will eventually lead to sales. However, I don't believe that you're going to be making these high-end commissions like they promise on the sales page. And the top reason why I believe Energize is not going to work for you is because of their traffic strategies. #1, they're giving us free traffic, and he's actually giving you some previous products that he launched. And these softwares, again, they don't work. They are not viral traffic. Where they're claiming where all the viral traffic is going to come from is sharing it on social media platforms. And then all these other platforms right here that I don't even recognize some of them. And there is no way to even share an affiliate link on some of these platforms. And the ones that you can share on, like Facebook or Pinterest or the likes, unless you have a large following already that know, like, and trust what you say, and there's a good chance then that there's not going to be many people going to be buying your high ticket affiliate offers. Even in their training inside Energize, they mentioned that the free traffic strategies is going to take time to build, which completely contradicts the elite buyer traffic in under 60 seconds that they claim on their sales page. But they also reference solo ads and then YouTube ads in their training in order to get more traffic. But again, I'd highly recommend that you stay away from solo ads altogether, because as a beginner, it is a huge potential that you could lose your money on untargeted traffic. And they recommend YouTube ads. There's absolutely nothing wrong with YouTube ads, but as a beginner, when you're starting out, you're far better off growing organically on the likes of YouTube and growing your affiliate marketing business that way, and using tools, your essential tools that you need. Keep your costs down as you grow, and that way you're building your business in the safest way possible. Another problem I have with Energize is the fact they tell you to collect emails, which is good advice. However, they don't give you any information after that. Like, you can go directly to an autoresponder yourself and sign up for a free account, and they have all the pages like I mentioned before. They're GDPR compliant, which is very important when it comes to the safety of building your email list. Plus, a lot of them have tutorials on how you can grow your email list. Back in the dashboard area, we have our affiliate links. You can get a campaign link, or you can sign up for these through ClickBank or Digistore24. There's no special privileges by using Energize to get these affiliate links. And then they're also giving you the bonus links. And then upgrades, this is where all your OTO'S, the purchases you've made, are going to be included. And then you have your help section, and then you can upgrade to their OTO'S at any stage. Now, your OTO'S, I don't believe you need, and why would you need them if they deliver on the promises on their sales page? For example, they say it's 3-step, click the button to secure your copy, log in, enter your details into the system, flip the switch and get traffic and sales. Now you can see from my overview that this isn't just a simple 3-click system and you're going to be making high-end commissions. Like any affiliate marketing business, this is not brand new or revolutionary. It's going to take time to build traffic organically, and then paid traffic, of course, it's going to be that bit faster, but then you're running the risk of losing money on strategies that simply don't work, or they don't have the right training that's going to help you grow a legitimate business using paid advertising. So do I believe that this is the most cutting edge done for you buyer traffic and commission app that they claim on the sales page? Absolutely not. In order for you to make continuous sales and grow long term, you're going to need traffic. When they're telling us that we're going to have 400 million buyers, that is not the case. It's highly unlikely that you're going to be making sales over and over again by sharing it on the likes of Facebook or Pinterest or any of these ones that I've never even heard of before. Long story short, without targeted traffic, you have no sales. All right, we'll take a look at the cost and OTO'S. Front-end cost is $17. And then OTO 1 is $67, and then downsell is $37. This is unlimited version. OTO 2 is $97, and it's $47 downsell, and it's done for you. OTO 3, $97, downsell is $47, and this is unlimited traffic. OTO 4 is $67, and then downsell is $37, and this one is automation. And OTO 5 is ATM, and it's $197, then the downsell is $47. OTO 6 is ultimate, and it's $197, downsell $47, and it finishes up at OTO 7, and that's license rights. You get that for $67, downsell $37. And do I believe you need those OTOs? I don't believe you do. According to the sales page, you shouldn't even need them because they claim you have everything you need in the front end cost. But if you want to learn how to build a long-term legitimate business, go click that link in the description below. You're going to find all the training you need, and it's step by step, and you're going to get started on the right track. This is the training that I use to start my affiliate marketing business, and it's the best decision I have ever made in my online journey so far. And that's it for my review of Energize. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and you will see me in future videos. Go check out these other videos on screen right now, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.